is a 15th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2. It's from the Bluebook app, the easier set of reading questions. And the passage says that volunteering is good for society as a whole, but most young people believe it's a way to help individuals, but only 6% thinks it fixes problems in society as well. These replies suggest that you should always predict your answer when it asks you about what most logically completes a text, and will say that more young people should know that volunteering helps society. And then you go to your answer choices. Your prediction may not be right on, but it forces you to understand the passage and the question. B is your best answer. Volunteering may be more helpful than young people think it is because it's helping society, not just the individual. See the full-length video. Check us out on YouTube. Video right above this on the playlist. Test 2, Module 2, Easy A. Have a great day. Bye.